Hi, it's Anne. Today I want to show you a technique that you can do in your background that works really nice. What you're going to use, you can use 92% alcohol. You can just buy it at the chemist. What I'm talking now about. And then I usually use Liquitex or Dalen Rowney, but I'm testing this acrylic drawing ink from Dala. It's a South African brand, and I know it's a lot cheaper. So if you want to start dabbling in inks and you're not sure what to do, then get these. They're not that expensive, and you can work with that and just see if you like it. I've maybe put on too much here. Just want to take a little bit away. And I love inks and acrylics because you can do so much with it. You can drip and splatter and do all these techniques. You can just watch. I've got a whole bunch that I've shown you, or what I'm showing you, what you can do with backgrounds, and then you can paint on top of it and leave some of the areas open. You don't have to cover everything. So I'm going to take my rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my fingers, and I'm just going to splatter. And you can see what it does right away. Okay, as usually I've maybe put on a little bit too much alcohol, but we'll see when it's dry. You can see it looks great. It dried very nice. It's still a little bit wet here and there. But now you can see if you do this in the background how nice it can look. Maybe somewhere. If you maybe do a figure or something and just put the area 1 or 2 or 3 places with these, and you can always put the other color at the back, let it dry, put on your wash. I call it a wash, or your ink wash, or your acrylic with a little bit of water thinned down, and put it over that. Drop in your inks, and if you want to dry it quickly that it doesn't, sometimes if you've got too much watery ink or acrylics or stuff on your canvas or on your board. This is just a normal superwood board that I painted with PVA. Then you can just quickly take a heat gun and just a hairdryer will blow maybe this a little bit apart. I'm talking about a heat gun. Just take it quickly over. It evaporates the alcohol and it leaves you with nicer marks. That's just a nice tip for you to know. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And as I said, please like and subscribe and hit that bell that you can see future uploads of my channel. I would really appreciate if you ask me something. You can ask me anything, and if it's in my power to answer you, I will. Take care and have a lovely day.